Alright, check this out. The reason why we're changing the rotor is that when you drive, you hear a fucking clanking noise that you don't hear. It sounded like a CV axle from the back, but it's not a goddamn CV axle, man. I can't believe I had to go into the trunk just to diagnose this shit, dude. Basically, the rotor is warped. So what we're gonna do is replace the rotors and brake pads. So first thing we'll do is remove these two caliper pins, caliper bolts in the back of the caliper. Grab yourself an adjustable wrench to counter hold that bolt. Yeah, probably about right here on the bottom. Probably here from the bottom. Take out your brake pads. The two bolts that's holding the caliper bracket. They're both 14 bolt, so got the bracket out. Back screw. Oh, what the fuck? That shit is loose. Make sure the back screw is on off position so you can hold it while you're trying to use a hammer to create that impact. There you go. Yo, dude, this rotor is so bent. Look, you can see it. Gonna be installing the new rotor. Make sure that the bolt here aligns. So yeah, make sure the bolts align. The rotor bolts are aligned. So make sure that your impact screw is in on position while you're hammering it. Next thing we'll do is install the bracket. These are new calipers. We're still gonna service the caliper pins. Working bolts, line them. So we're gonna service this. I know it's brand new, but I still want to show y'all how to service the brake, the caliper pins. Just take it out, put some grease on it. Let's go back and forth. Do the same thing on the back, from the bottom. Put some grease, and then just apply it. Go back and forth. With a little bit of aluminum sticking out, it's gonna be on the back side. Just slide it in on the bracket. From there, I get the bracket, push it in, push it out a little bit, and then we're gonna have to press this. Okay, so this is one of those that you have to rotate the piston. So you're gonna need a special tool that rotates like this. This piston has four it's a cross bar, so get an attachment that has a 4-pin. Place it inside, place it on top of the piston. And attach your tool. Attach your brake compressor. Rotate it. Oh yeah, that thing is about to quit. Magkukwit na ata si Gunner. Just rotate it, adjust the brake tool, rotate it again, adjust the brake tool, that's it. Alright, so when installing this, I said just push it out a little bit, and then you should be able to get it over the brakes. Press this brake, push it in, align it. I'll do the top one first. Push it down. Alright, that's how you change the brake pads and rotors of a 2006 Honda Civic. I hope that this video gave you guys the idea on what to do. If you guys watched the entire video, I appreciate y'all. go check out my other videos about this Civic, because so yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.